In this video, we will take a short tour of the conference website, showing you how to navigate the site, plan your personal schedule, join sessions and events during the conference, and connect with other attendees. Here we are on the conference homepage, where you can find links to everything you need. Before we start our tour, you should make sure that you're signed into the website. If you're signed into the website, you'll see your initials in the top left here. If you're not signed in, you will instead see a link that tells you to sign in. By default, the times you see on the website are in your own local time, so that's Eastern Standard Time for me. If you prefer, you can change from my time to meeting time by simply clicking on this button at the top. Now, let's start off by browsing the conference program so that I can start planning my time and building my personal schedule. By clicking on Schedule Overview in the left menu, you can see all the events taking place each day. For the online scientific sessions, you can click on the link to see the day's schedule at a glance and all the different sessions taking place in that time slot. We can also browse the scientific sessions by theme by going to Program by Theme. I can select a theme to see the description, all the sessions in that theme, as well as related sessions. Let's select a session. Here, I can view the different live online sessions that have been scheduled, as well as the session for non-live abstracts and presentations. Don't forget to check these out. From this session page, I can click on a live online session, for example, 2A02, to see when it will be taking place. I can click on a presentation to view the abstract and the e-presentation that the author has uploaded. And I can post questions for the author to respond to here. I can also access the conference program through the day-by-day schedule to view events on a particular day. Throughout the website, I can mark any event, session, or presentation as favorites using the star icon, or add them to my personal schedule using the plus icon. I can then view all my favorites or personal schedule by clicking on the icons in the gray bar at the top. Okay, so now that I have my schedule planned, how do I join an event? 30 minutes before the online sessions start, a Join Now button will appear. Note that only delegates who are fully registered will see this button. You can join directly from your personal schedule, from the event or session page itself, or from the day-by-day program. If you are presenting in a live session or are a session chair or moderator, you should also join from one of these places. Remember to join 30 minutes before the session starts. In Happening Now, we will see the Join Now buttons for all the live events and can join immediately. Now, let's take a look at the different ways we can connect with other attendees to really get the most out of the conference. You can find people everywhere throughout the program. For example, you can see authors on an abstract page, panelists for early career events or conveners on a session page, and you can connect with exhibitors directly from the exhibitors and sponsors page. But here in the attendee list, you can find everyone. Simply click on a person's name to go to their person page. Here's Maud Boyette in the attendees list. I can see her abstract and e-presentation, as well as her availabilities during the conference. You can add your own availabilities by going to My Goldschmidt. Anywhere that you see this blue Connect button, You can send a request to connect with that person by chat, email, or invite them to meet on Zoom or Spatial Chat, the conference networking and social platform. To join Spatial Chat at any time, you just need to click on the link here in the left menu. We recommend you watch the Spatial Chat Basics video to find out more about using the platform, or you can step right in and give it a try. All these functionalities are available from 28th of June through to the 23rd of July, and only to registered delegates. If you have any issues logging in or can't access certain features, don't hesitate to contact technical support at Goldschmidt@convex.com. For any other questions or for more information, don't hesitate to check out the attendees guide